Hi, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and now moving towards the next session. It's nothing but the OET letter writing format. Now you might be wondering, why is it important to know about the format of letter writing? Definitely it's important because the layout and organization of a letter always count for extra marks. For example, in the case of OET, it counts for about 7 marks out of 38 marks. And always, a proper letter would always add to attraction, as well as it provides neatness, accuracy, and so on. And also it will add to logically convey the information which you are trying to say in a letter. Now in the case of OET exam, there are 5 types of letter. You might be knowing it: the referral letter, the transfer letter, then home visit, known care, and discharge letter. Well, let us look into what might be the structure of this letter. First of all, in the first portion, it consists of initial. In the initials, you need to write the recipient's name and address, the date, the salutation, and the age and name of the patient. That's it. Moving towards the body, you need to include the introduction, summary of your chief complaints, summary of additional information, followed by the discharge, treatment plans, medication, and so on. After this, you are required to write your closing sentence. And in the end, you need to write the sign-off. Sign-off would be like yours faithfully, yours sincerely, and along with your designation or your profession. Maybe you might be a registered nurse or might be a staff nurse. You should mention your profession. And something you should keep in your mind is, unlike IELTS letter writing, in OET letter writing you would be required to write your letter in a ruled paper. And this was the basic structure of OET letter writing format. Hope you understood. Thank you.